Okay, welcome back to your Caribou Data Science channel on Gemini Capsule. What's a Gemini Capsule? Well, let me show. Let me give you a brief information here. You know what? I'll come back to that in a minute. You'll see in just a few minutes exactly why I'm so excited about the Gemini Capsule program, about the Gemini protocol. Okay, briefly put, the Gemini Capsule is a light, fast, simple, and fun and private internet protocol for producing basically text documents with some additional headings. Okay, we'll get there in just one moment. Let's go ahead and take a look at our data for today. We'll continue to look at the Our World in Data's data regarding vegetable consumption per capita. So that's, of course, is persons, kilograms per person per year. It's the per capita we're looking at here. Today we're looking specifically at the bottom five countries in terms of per capita consumption of vegetables. So let's just start here at the top. Going to read some data. Okay, we'll read some data in. Then we're going to create a summary table that contains an average or mean, a median, and a maximum amount. All right. Now we're going to plot these two numbers. We're going to plot these numbers. And what this gives us here is this gives us the red line is average. This is the average kilograms per capita per year. And you can see worldwide it is increasing a little bit. And that's really the most important one. The average is probably the most important. This is just the maximum amounts per year. Okay. This is what's called the median, which is something completely different. I think it's generally the middle value in a string of in a string of in a string of values. If you have a vector or string that consists of 5 numbers, okay, I believe the median would be the third number because it has nothing to do with the actual value. It's just that it's the third value in. It's the value in the center of those 5. Okay, but really the average is probably the most important for our concern here. Okay, so let's come down. Now we're going to do a plot. We'll come down here. So here what we do, we're going to create the vegetable top, vegetable consumption, filter to the last year, which is 2017, and then the negative means bottom 5. So we're going to take the bottom 5 vegetables from vegetables, okay? Vegetables means per capita, kilograms per capita, okay? Then we use that information and we do a select by country. Then we do a left join by country where we join veggie top to vegetable consumption, which gives us a data frame. Okay? Okay? So now let's take a look at our first plot. Let's take a look at our 3 plots down here now, okay? Excuse me. So let's take a look at these last 2 plots here, okay? Okay, so you can see here, this is the average per year. And you can see these bottom 5 countries really aren't even close. Salmon is actually decreasing a little bit. The last few years, Burkina Faso and Chad were all very low. Okay. Now this is the 5 countries stacked on top of each other. You can see here, just enough. Okay, so you can see here, you know, Sao Tomo had a spike back here in the late 90s for maybe 10 or 15. Then all of a sudden, I just fell off the rock, which is really kind of interesting. The rest of the countries all showed a downward trend. So the bottom 5 countries, the poorest countries in terms of vegetable consumption, their consumption continues to decline. Okay? So that gives us our 3 plots for today. Now let's go out and let's create our let's call this 3-4. Okay. Then we're going to come over here. Come down here. Now we'll come over here. We're just going to go and cut and paste our code all the way in. Okay. Well, first we have to come over here and we're just going to cut and paste all of our code over here. Okay. So okay, I just included a little thing in there. That's not where that belongs. That's interesting. Okay. Dash V part 3. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. plots. Okay. Okay, so let's come over here, and let's just go ahead, upload. Okay, let's come over here then. GitHub. Okay, this is plot one. Okay. Okay. That takes care of that. Let's come down here now with resources. Okay, so now let's go over here and let's update our out of bottom 5 country, bottom 5 countries. The bottom 5 countries. Bottom 5 countries. Vegetables. Capita. Okay. Oh, let's see something. Okay, so here is our update for today. Countries shown in blue have an average per capita. Obviously, there's no blue, but that's okay. Okay, let's just do this. Let's just make a little few adjustments down there, shall we? Okay. Now let's come back over here. Try this one more time. Okay, why aren't these? Okay, I don't know why that's not working for us. Come back over here, take a look at this. You have to have everything right or left justified, okay? I think that's probably the problem here. Okay, let's just do one more thing here. Let's just go ahead and number the plots, okay? Okay, let's take a look at one more look here. Oh, okay, we got a bit of a problem here. We probably need a space. Let's see. Okay. Okay. We're getting close now. I need to stop trying for perfection. But this, for whatever reason, still wasn't showing up as a title. Now, why isn't that working? Am I missing a... Maybe I'm missing a... Oh... Okay. Again. One, two, three. Okay. Or, you know what we can do up here. Let's leave it the way it is for right now. I sometimes think I'm too much of a perfectionist. This is still not showing up right. But you know what? I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Sometimes we need to be a little disciplined in what we're doing. We need to just stop and say, this is good enough for right now. Okay? Stop worrying about the details, Dave. Stop worrying about having every single thing formatted just right. This is Gemini Capsule. It's simple. It's great. This is exactly what we wind up with here. Okay? Thanks so much for your time today, folks. And don't forget to click on the like button and click on the share button and share this video with one person today. That's all I'm asking for you to share this video with one person today. Alrighty? Thanks so much for your time. We'll catch you on a later report.